Welcome to Ask GM Financial. I'm Brooke, filling in for regular host Ayana, whose improv class ran over. But every Monday, we're going to take your questions and find you some answers. Hey, Marisha.
Hey, how are you?
Good, how are you?
Good.
All right, I'm here with Marisha from Customer Experience, and today she's going to answer a question from Holly from Oregon.
Okay.
All right, so Holly from Oregon has an automatic payment plan,
Okay.
but she needs to change her banking information.
Okay, she's going to have to cancel the original for her automatic payment, and
Okay.
she's going to have to resubmit her enrollment. By doing so, she's going to have to call in with a customer service representative, and they're going to have to resubmit the forms to her via mail.
Okay, so to cancel the plan, can she do that just through phone? Can she do
No,
the
she
chat?
can also reach out to chat, live chat, social media, or contact the live representative for assistance.
All right, cool, sounds good.
Yeah.
Alrighty guys, so if you want a live chat, you can go ahead and sign up for my account and log in. You can find out how to do that through this video right here, or you can download our app and make a chat with us on the go. Be sure to find some more answers at gmfinancial.com, look at the FAQs, hit subscribe, and turn on those notifications so you never miss a video. See you next week.